Hey everyone, I'm Londa. I'm the Crazy Vegan. Today I'm going to show you how I batch my potatoes for my potato fries, and we're going to make a really easy vegan cheese sauce. This particular sauce you can use to put on those potatoes, mashed potatoes, fries, on roasted veggies. You can also add salsa to the sauce to make a queso dip. It's a real versatile. It's also good for macaroni and cheese. So if you're new to being a vegan and you're having trouble because of cheese, and believe me, I know where that is because I've had the same problem, this cheese sauce is really good and it might help. So give it a try. Now, let's get started and see you in the video. Okay, for the first part of the video, I'm going to show you how to batch my potatoes for my potato fries. I first wash them, poke some holes in them, and use the Instant Pot. All right, now that our potatoes are started, now we can start on the cheese sauce. So let's get started with that. Okay, to start out with this recipe, the first thing you're going to do is boil some water, or get it started. You're going to put 1/2 cup of chopped carrots and 3 cups of chopped yellow and light potatoes. I'm using yellow because they're a better consistency. So that's 3 cups potatoes, 1/2 cup of water, in a pot of water. You're going to let that cook until the potatoes and the carrots are softened. You are going to use the water, so don't throw it out. Okay, now that the potatoes are done, we're going to strain them and put them in a separate bowl. You're going to keep the water because you're going to use some of it. So we're just using a slotted spoon in order to strain. Okay, now we're going to put the cheese sauce together. We're going to get a blender. We're going to put 1/2 cup of cashews, about 1 1/4 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. If you don't have that, just use the bottle. You've got 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. You want to put your potatoes and your carrots in that you had boiled earlier. And 2 cups of the potato water. Now we're going to just put the lid on, and then we're going to blend it until smooth. And there's the best vegan cheese sauce. You can use this for macaroni and cheese, put it on your baked potato, dip it with fries, or put it on your roasted veggies. You can do just about anything with this cheese sauce. You can add a little bit of queso salsa to make it a queso dip for your home-baked potato chips or tortilla chips. So it's the best vegan cheese sauce. Enjoy! Alright, there you go. I've batched my potatoes by putting them in the Instant Pot. You do not put the lid on until they are completely cool. And then I have my vegan potato cheese sauce that can be used for just about everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more recipes.